everybody, it's Shari Carroll for SimonsStamp.com, and I have a reveal and some inspiration for our May card kit called Kind Heart. This is a really super card kit. You're going to love it. We have so many bright spring colors and a couple of stamp sets. So I'll start off with this 6x8 stamp set that Christina Werner designed. It features handwritten messages that are really nice and bold. So these are perfect for embossing, plus a really great set of flowers that you can put together to create some spring designs on your cards. This is a 6x8 stamp set and it is called Everything Together. We have two stamp sets for you in this kit, and this one is called Take Heart, and it's a 3x4 stamp set. So it has a little cup with flowers, a hummingbird, and also a couple messages that you can put together. You gotta love a good sticker set, and this one from Pink Fresh Studio is just, it has my heart. These are little puffy stickers, and there are hearts and little messages and flowers and a lot of fun stuff that you can put together. I've used a couple in my cards. I've incorporated them with some stamp flowers, but there's also some messages at the bottom. And did I mention that they're puffy? These are really, really great. And this is also a 6x8 set of stickers. And if those weren't enough, we also have some enamel stickers, and these are all hearts, also from Pink Fresh Studio. So lots of fun patterns and colors that you can mix and match together. I have also used these on one of my cards, which is on the Simon Says Stamp blog. The papers, also from Pink Fresh Studio, so that all of this stuff really goes together. So there's florals and really fine detailed patterns. This one is a really small triangle pattern, a gorgeous blue background with some leaves and stuff, and those puffy stickers are really go well with this. This is an ombre type look, and I really love this as well. And also this paper is about 60-pound weight, so it's a really nice thick paper, and you can cut these apart and put them onto your cards and then maybe foam dot them up. There's some geometric patterns, and also this pink one that has some of the leaves and also geometric patterns, and this one's really cute, like little scallop edges. And this one's really adorable. You're gonna like this. This is a communication one, and there are stickers that match this with the coffee maker and also the typewriter and stuff, so kind of a getting in touch type of sheet. And I thought this one would be really nice to put a couple messages together, so where you have something for the ampersand and hearts that will go really well with those enamel stickers. There is also a blue background with a nice pattern, and these are so thick that I feel like when I'm picking them up I'm grabbing two sheets of paper. There's also this one that has books stacked on a shelf, and there are 16 sheets of these papers, and like I said, they are single-sided. So there are plenty of sheets to mix and match together to make a variety of cards. We've included two of the Simon Says Stamp hybrid ink pads, and these are Melon and Spring Rain. And these go really well with the papers and stickers that we've put together. You'll also get 3 of our smoke folded note cards. So these come pre-scored in a pack together. And we've also included the Simon Says Stamp metallic ivory, and this is a gorgeous envelope, and that has a peel-away seal. We've added in a Simon Says Stamp masking sheet, and this is a double-sided sticky sheet that you can use for masking. So you stamp your images on the paper and then cut around and use it as a mask so you can stamp other images on top. I also thought it would be really great, since it has such a high tack, is to use it with my dies. So stick it to your paper and then die cut, and then you can peel away the backing paper, and then you have a nice adhesive for your dies. And for our cardstocks, we have 3 of the Simon Says Stamp cardstocks in orange peel, ivory, and Audrey blue. And hot off the press, we have a double heart die set, and this has the inner and outer cuttings. And this die measures just under 2.5 inches in width. As promised, I have a couple inspiration cards for you. I have created this one using the Let's Catch Up stamp that I have white embossed onto one of the smoke note cards, and then I die cut that out. And then I stamped a bunch of the flowers and added an arrangement also with some hearts and puffy stickers. Heather Hoffman created a card where she white embossed the getting together message onto vellum and put that over a light color paper, and then used the puffy stickers to hold her vellum down. And finally, Susan Opal used that ombre colored paper and also matted that onto another sheet and used the Let's Catch Up Soon and a puffy sticker. I hope you've enjoyed the reveal and inspiration for our Kind Heart card kit. We do have information below for you in the description box that links to our blog and also the new products. And as always, thanks so much for watching.